Alright, next video, trapezoid. This is going to be a trapezoid easy. As we talked in class, we talked about a trapezoid, and there's something about the property of a trapezoid that's different than any other quadrilateral. It has
one pair of parallel sides. Only one.
Yes, so I'm going to put my tick marks here and here, knowing that these two lines, line segment AB and line segment DC, are parallel. BC and AD eventually are going to intersect, so these are my parallels. Once I know this, I'm on my way. My next step is I'm going to look and find my obtuse angles and put them in one color. I'm going to put my acute angles in another color. What we've talked about is you can't really have two obtuse angles adding up to 180. You can't really have two acute angles adding up to 180. It just doesn't work. You need to have an obtuse and an acute angle add up together to give us a straight line or a line segment of 180 degrees. So one thing that we've talked about is if I've got my tick marks, I'm going to cover up with my hand, knowing that I need to find angle C. I see I have an obtuse and I have an acute, and they're going to have to equal 180 degrees. So once I cover with my hand, that's all I need to worry about at this point. I see that I already have 106 degrees here, and we know that a straight line has
180 degrees.
180 degrees. I have 106. I'm going to subtract, and lo and behold, angle C should be 74 degrees, and that is all that we needed to do for a trapezoid easy. Moving to a trapezoid medium. Trapezoid medium. I have a trapezoid ABCD again. I see a couple of triangles in here. I see that I need to find angle DAC. But there's something about a trapezoid that's different again. It has that property, Miss Pickens?
One pair of parallel sides.
So I'm taking a look and I see that my parallel sides are here. Once again, if BC and AD keep going, they're going to cross up here by the P or the E. They're not parallel, they're intersecting. So I'm going to use my hand. Oh no, before I use my hand I better show my color. I've got two obtuse angles here. I've got an acute and an acute here. I'm going to cover because I'm trying to find DAC. I'm trying to find this angle right here. I'm going to cover up so I can focus in on this, and a straight line will have
180 degrees.
180 degrees. So I need to remember 180 degrees. And so far I have 46. And I also have 32. And if I add those together, I should get a grand total of 78 degrees. Now I need to find the last part, angle A. So I'm going to subtract out the 78 degrees, and I'm going to be left with 102 degrees for angle A of angle DCA, or DAC.